That's truck.
That big brown one?
Yeah.
This is the finished product. Oh, why won't it move? I thought it was supposed to move. Oh, there it goes. That's satisfying. Hey guys, it's Butterfly. Welcome back to our channel. Today is just another quarantine day, and I made something with origami, so I thought I should share it with you guys. So this is a finished product because I already did it, so stay tuned to learn how to make this. Let's go make it now. Okay, so to put them together, you will have a base like this picture. I do recommend glue because that keeps the modules together longer and it makes it all tighter. So your cool moving star can last longer. In these pictures, the spot where the arrow is pointing is where you will put the. You will continue putting the modules in one by one in that same pattern. You don't want to mix up the colors. After a while you will see this pattern as you see in the picture, and it will continue to grow just like that. And then this is the finished product.
I've yet no my videos of my cute little face. Then subscribe. Peace out.